Hi folks, it's Andy here. Welcome to the Tadzungaira song guide for the global ceremony. I've put together these extra videos for those of you that want to go a little bit deeper. Each video that I've just recorded, I've done the first 4 just now, and I'm going to release them all at the same time. They've got loads of different nuggets of information. In the first one, you're going to learn some basic stuff about the note names and the notation system that we're using, but I also talk later on in that video about practice, your approach to practice, and what sorts of things you should be working on. That's going to help you out for choosing the right level of exercises, and know when to take a break as well, because it's pointless practicing so much that you end up practicing mistakes and ingraining in problems into your playing. Video 2, ancient song structure. It's my favourite subject. I think about it every day. You're going to learn, if you go through video 1 first, you'll end up with some shapes and some patterns in your hands that you would have practiced. In video 2, that practice is really going to pay off, and you'll end up having your first sort of fundamental left-hand song structure, which we build on in later videos. Video 3, we put in the right hand, so things are getting a bit more complicated. This might sound really simple to some of you that are advanced players. Check out the earlier videos, because I'm trying to build things up so that when people get to my super advanced stuff, I don't have to go through this again. So you're going to learn why the notes are different colours, the sorts of language that I'm using. Yeah, so this is a great introduction for everybody to go through. So we pop in the basic right hand. Then video 4, we start looking at roots and fifths. Sounds complicated. Maybe if you're brand new to this, take a bit of time before you get to that. It's something that you should start thinking about. And if you've been playing for years and you've been learning with the position notation, the one where it just counts out from the middle outwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you won't realise how much you've been disabling yourself by using that system. This pitch notation or advanced notation system that we're using here unlocks it all. So work through these videos. Video 4, you end up getting to roots and fifths, and the application of those ideas will make a lot of sense, and it will be revelationary for you. So thanks very much for downloading the pack. I hope this is interesting for you all. It's a really interesting time for me. It's lockdown, I'm not at home, I haven't got my normal recording equipment, so I'm using my laptop and sort of bending the hinge down and getting behind the laptop to record those bits and pieces for you. I don't know whether I'll be back home by the time I record the next few videos for you. Hope you're enjoying them. I want to give you something to do while you're at home right now, and it's a perfect opportunity to dive into your Mbira playing. I'm doing loads. I'm doing some gourd engraving. Here's one of my... You know the Mbira gets played inside one of these to amplify. So I've got some blank ones, and then I've been doing some pyrography, some wood burning. So I'm getting really creative, and naturally, yeah, I'm playing Mbira loads at the moment. And I really hope to support you on the journey, your journey, doing the same. So yeah, enjoy these videos, and I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.